Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon.
I welcome you again to today's practical. Today we are going to be demonstrating on osmosis, and before you is a yam tissue which is going to serve as our osmotic matter, and this is a sugar granules. We are going to dissolve it to make a sugar solution, and this is a glass jar that is containing water. And you know that water is dilute, right?
Yes.
This is going to serve as our hypotonic solution. Hypotonic solution is a solution that is not concentrated, it's a dilute solution. So the water in the glass is going to serve as our hypotonic solution. By the time I'm done making a solution with this sugar, I will obtain my hypertonic solution. Is that clear?
Yes.
With my yam, I'm going to use this as a living tissue. This yam will serve as our living tissue or osmometer. And with my knife, I will peel off the back and make sure I flatten the edges so that the yam won't wobble. That is, it will be firm. It won't be shaking when I placed it in the hypotonic solution. And I will make a cavity, and I will be very, very careful so that I won't perforate the side of the yam or even the bottom. Now, what is osmosis? Osmosis is the movement of water from a region of dilute solution to a region of concentrated solution through a selectively permeable membrane. Now we are going to be using this yam tissue to serve as our selectively permeable membrane. I have succeeded in making a cavity through the yam, and I was very careful enough to ensure I don't perforate any side of the yam. Now I will make my sugar solution and then pour it inside the yam. Okay, you add as much as possible because you will need the solution to be concentrated. Okay?
Yes.
Now I'm pouring it inside my yam. Then I will use my pin to mark the length. To mark the length of the liquid inside the yam. Can you see the length? Now I will introduce it to a hypotonic solution, which is this, and leave it to stand for some time, about 30 minutes to 1 hour, and watch if water will move from here inside the tissue or from the tissue outside the glass jar. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Welcome back. As you can observe, after about 45 minutes, there is an increase in the solution inside the tissue. Watching from where the pins are, you will see an increase from the original position to a new level. That is to prove to you that water has been absorbed into the yam tissue and osmosis has taken place.